Amigas, if you're looking for a delicious fish recipe that's a light meal, this is it. We had this Filete Zarrandeado in Mexico right at the beach, amigas. It was so good. Are you ready to make these Filete Zarrandeados? Because I am. Let's make them, amigas. To start my recipe, amigas, I need to start by chopping up my onion. The onion is going to be part of our marinade. So first things first, we have to make our marinade. Before adding our onion to the griddle, we need to add some oil. Let's add the onion to the griddle. Now let's add our chile. For our chiles, we're using chile California and chile de árbol. Some garlic. Now we need to cover up our onion, garlic, and chiles just to make sure our onion gets nice and soft. Our onion is not ready yet, but my chiles are. We gotta make sure we take those out fast, amigas, because if you let them burn, the sauce is going to taste bitter. This smells so good, you guys. I love onion, so it's it smells amazing.
The more you cough, the better it tastes.
Yeah, that's how you know it's spicy and it's perfect. Our onions and garlic are ready to pull off the griddle. Now we can add our chiles to the blender. The dry chiles that we're using gives it that smoky, rich flavor. Ooh, it's perfect for this meal. It's a little full, so I'm gonna shove it right down. We're also going to add some mayo to make our marinade. Of course, we need some tang in our marinade, so let's add our limones. Our limoncito has that citrus that keeps the fish tasting fresh and not too heavy. Perfect for a light meal. What? You're not supposed to get that part.
Making the face?
It's because it's hard to squeeze. Here's my little secret for my marinade, amigas. We're going to add some fish seasoning. A little bit of black pepper. Our fish seasoning, our black pepper just makes the flavor pop. Just like that. And if you guys remember from my other videos, my blender was broken, so we got a new one. Blend this? I don't know how to use it.
I think you gotta have something on to blend.
Oh, you're right. Shut up. I don't know. Our marinade is ready. Oh my gosh. Let me see. We have to give it a taste test, of course. You already know. You already know that's what I do.
Let's see. Oh, that's nice and hot.
Holy moly. Just wait until it's on the fish. If you don't want it this spicy, don't put as much chile de árbol, amigas. That's key right there. Our marinade is ready, so let's start marinating our filete zarrandeado, which brings me to our word of the day, zarrandear. Say it with me, zarrandear. Zarrandear means to flip or toss something around, so we're going to be zarrandeando our fish.
Say that 5 times fast.
Zarrandear, zarrandear. I can't do that, all right? My tongue's not rolling right now. I'm spiced up from the marinade. Let's marinate our fish. Here we have our fish. It is tilapia. I like using tilapia because it doesn't have any of the bones in it, amigas. Before marinating our shrimp, we have to season it. I'm using fish seasoning. And we're also going to add some salt, pepper, garlic seasoning over our filete. Let's rub that seasoning right into our fish. Make sure you season up both sides, amigas. We're ready for this marinade. Hey. We are smothering our fish in this marinade, amigas, because it is so full of flavor and it's going to give our filete zarrandeado that perfect taste, that hit. Our filete is ready to add to the griddle. We're going to add our oil to the plancha. Our marinade is going to change in color, amigas. That's how you know it's ready to flip to the other side. Now it's time to zarrandear our filete because one side is nicely cooked, so now we need the other side to cook. Our filetes are ready, amigas. Let's take them off the griddle. The pieces of fish I broke off were made just for me for a taste test. Ready? Here.
Fish are friend, not food. Give me that. Give me that.
Ah, it's hot. Be careful.
Oh my god. Oh, yeah, they're definitely food.
Yeah,
100%. They're not friends.
With my filetito zarrandeado, I want to pair it with a side of white rice and, of course, a salad. Simple salad. We're going in with some greens, a little bit of onion. This is perfect for a light meal, amigas. Our filete zarrandeado is ready, amigas. I'm so ready for a taste test. We have our white rice with corn, a little salad, and our filete. I'm gonna put a little bit of limoncito. Look at how soft it is, amigas. Amazing. My rice. You wanna taste it, babe?
Yeah, I've been waiting. I'm over here watching this.
Hey, put it.
No. That's so good.
Have you guys ever had a lemon wedge like this? Don't. I thought it was gonna be better. So amigas, if you don't know what to make for dinner tonight, a filete zarrandeado is it. Trust me, you're going to love it. Your family is going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, amigas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone YouTube page. Come back for my next recipe. Come hang out with us. Provecho, amigas. Bye. Love you guys.